very popular rhythm. It's true, was born in Colombia, but after 1960s, 1970s, it became very popular across Latin America. So the version that we are going to do for the class, you already saw the traditional dance video that we did earlier in the week, and that shows you how it's done traditionally by the people of the Atlantic coast in Colombia and the Caribbean coast of Colombia. Today we're going to do the modern version that people started to adapt for the whole country and for the rest of Latin America. We're going to try to do some very basic steps that you can practice by yourself. But Giraldo is also here, so we will do at the end some of the movements in partners if you want to try with a partner at the end. Now we're gonna practice some very basic steps, but before we do that, I wanted to let you know that Cumbia is a dance that came from the slave period when Africans were brought to Latin America to work in the mines and in the fields. And the reason of the basic step to be like that, like dragging, is because they had chains on the feet. So they couldn't really move, you know, like Africans usually have a lot of leaps and jumps in their dances. They would have that restriction, and that's why all the steps are on the floor and with restriction of how much we're gonna lift the feet. Saying that, on a happy note, it was a dance that evolved and it became very, very popular, and Colombia is now known in the world. You know, Shakira, Carlos Vives, all these big singers, they come from that area of Colombia, and they have made excellent work in distributing this music that belongs to the Colombian people, but now it belongs to the whole of Latin America, and I know that it's traveled as far as Australia, I've been told. So there you go. So we're gonna start now. Okay, so let's do the warm-up. The warm-up is gonna be very simple. Shoulders first, and so you're gonna practice 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. On the shoulder level, yes, it's a small circles, yeah, very small circles. This is done, all these steps are done by the men or the women, doesn't matter, they do the same. Shoulders are small circles. What you want is to create a little round on the shoulder and on the other. So we're gonna try with music to put shoulders and feet together. Left, right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna move now towards the hip. On the hip, the movement is circular. It's circular.
Colombiana, oh tierra hermosa.
It's a circular movement, like a figure 8, you could say, but it's wavy. It's wavy. The whole of the dance needs to have this cadence of being on a wave on the sea. Yes? So the shoulders, the hips, the feet, the whole body needs to have that cadence of a wave. Yeah? That's what it makes a difference between this rhythm and other tropical rhythms. This is very, very much cumbia, a sea wave. Yeah? A sea wave. Yeah? So we're gonna practice now hip, the circularity of the hip with the feet and the shoulders.
Soy colombiana, oh tierra hermosa, donde nací.
Feet, 1, 2, 3, now into the back step. The back step, forward, left, center, back, center, left, center, back, center. Can you notice how my shoulders keep moving, yeah? My shoulders, my hip, and I make a little weight on the back leg. Yes, I put weight onto the back leg. Fully. It's like a little lean back. A little lean back. Leaning back a little bit. When we do that with the arms. One, two, three, four. So keep moving the shoulders.
Una fiesta en torno de mí. Y yo soy la cumbia, la hembra coqueta, bailó feliz. Y yo soy la cumbia, la hembra coqueta, bailó.
Third step. Very easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We add the hip. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep the feet on the ground. Sliding the feet. The hip accompany and the shoulders roll. So we get ready. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Yo nací en las bellas playas Caribe de mi país. Soy barranquillera, cartagenera, yo soy de ahí. Soy de Santa Marta, soy monteriana, pero eso sí, yo soy colombiana, o tierra hermosa.
Number 4. You're gonna combine 2 and 3. Yes? So I'm gonna combine the leaning back with the back step with the double side step. Yeah? Double side step with back step. Here we go. We go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. Back. 1, 2. Back. Double side back. Double side back. Number 5. Paseadito. Paseadito. I'll put in the description the translation of that. But it's a 1 and 2 step combined with a single beat step. 1 and 2 syncopation, single beat. 1 and 2 step. 1 and 2, 1. 1 and 2, 2. 1 and 2, 3. 1 and 2, 4. 1 and 2, 1. 1 and 2, 2. 1 and 2, 3. 1 and 2, 4. We're gonna try that in different directions. Yes, so we're gonna go forward first with the 1 and 2, 1. 1 and 2, 2. Quarter. 1 and 2, 1. 1 and 2, 2. 1 and 2, 1. 1 and 2, 2. 1 and 2, 1. 1 and 2, 2. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 1. 1 and 2, change. 1 and 2, 1. 1 and 2, back. 1 and 2, forward. 1 and 2, back. 1 and 2, forward. 1 and 2.
No le temo a noche oscura.
the arms. We're gonna do back to the very basic step, but this time with the arms. Yeah? And a little bit more open. A little bit more turn. Yeah? Almost half. Almost half. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. Back. Number 7, el rollito. El rollito is a turn on the spot with the double step. So we're gonna practice doing the double step and turning. Yeah? Double step and turning to the left, to the right. So let's go with the rollito. 5, 6, right leg. 1, 2. So we keep rolling. Left. The rollito we just did, I'm doing 2 steps per corner, per quarter, but now we are going to do half. So we go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. See? 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So I turn half on the first 1 and 2, and on the other half 3 and 4. Look at the feet. So now I go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. See? So I spend only 1 step to do half turn. Yeah? 1, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 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 1 and 2. So this first part, you can do it by yourself, but also if you have somebody that you have next to you. We know we are in quarantine, so most of you probably don't have a dancing partner at home, but if you do, then this is how you can do it.
Bajo la lluvia inclemente de una noche sin lucero, va un pescador que no siente porque es más grande su amigo.
Amanece con pecado para vender en el mercado. Amanece con pecado para vender en el mercado.
¡Hey, hey! Mañana es la Candelaria.